Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what the watering cans are actually for on the Garden of Eden round in Dress to Impress. So they're actually to remove the vines that are on the wall here. As you can see, my water can is filled to the max here, and you're just going to go here and press E on your keyboard, and it's going to remove the vines so that you can get the items that you'll need. It does take a few seconds to do, so I don't know. It's easier to use code items if I'm being honest with you. But to refill, you're just going to go to the wells and press E, and it's going to refill automatically. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.